This is the Hannah Lay 5-pack of moisturizing lip balm. And I am just a lip balm addict. I just love this stuff. So it's really nice that you get 5 different flavors of these. So let me show you the different flavors. This one is in tropical citrus. And this one is in island mint. This one is in coconut pear. This one is in Lilikoi. And this one is in vanilla. And they all smell so good. I absolutely love using it. You just take off the top and put it on your lips. And it's that simple, and it's so moisturizing. And if you start running out, all you have to do is twist it up and then it comes up, just like any other lip balm. Now, what makes this different though is it's made with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E oil too. And it has a nice lip treatment for cracked, dry, chapped lips. Here's a close-up of what they look like, and these are also paraben-free as well. And it really makes your lips nice and soft, and you just twist like this, and then you'll have nice, smooth, and soft lips. So I really like it, and I actually like all the different flavors, and tropical citrus is also another of my favorites. Actually, they're all my favorites, and they all taste differently and smell differently too. So I really enjoy using these, and thank you to Hannah Lay for sending me these. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.